This is my new channel called Me and My Old Man. This is me, and this is my old man. He is a semi-professional manager, currently manager of Crewe Wanderers. We shared a lot of success lately, so I wanted to set up my own YouTube channel to share it with you guys. He has given us an insight to what a semi-pro football team does on a weekly basis, such as scouting reports and matches.
Obviously JT's not here today. His missus got induced on Wednesday and she's still not had the baby, so he's texted me this morning said he can't make it. It's obviously a bit of an issue, you know, taking the top goal scorer out of the league in any side is going to affect you. But I see it as an opportunity for someone else to play in a different position and have a free shot. Whenever you get paid out of position, it's almost like a free shot, so you can't really foul. I'm sure I'll probably find it. This will be about well. So Charlie Allen's going to go up front for us today. And I'll tell you my thinking. I think I've shocked a few people with that. When we look at Charlie Allen up front, what he can bring, so he, you know, from our gate, he was a goal scoring midfield. I've seen him, he can finish. He's quick, strong, he attacks the ball. If you put balls in the box, he will tackle football. So there's no reason for him not to be successful up there. So, but
sorry, wait, you just said it.
Sorry, Rich. I know you're not brilliant, but the man management skill I'm trying to do here is to build a man up. The laughing was not helping him. That's not going to really help me going forward. Yeah, we're trying to build him up here, Brits. Yeah, same goal, mate.
Red button flash.
And yes, we are talking about Charlie Allen. Charlie proved me wrong, mate. Little actress, and then I'll take you off. Yeah, so they're a 4-4-2. You know, we've worked on what we need to work on in the training. We spoke about what we need to do. Team selection, more down to the white boys. Obviously, all three of them, and Palace comes into that now as a four, but all three of them have done really well in recent weeks. Honestly, for me to give people clarity. Palace comes in, very talented player. Very well, we've all seen it at training. You know, we've got a bit of work to do with him, and you know, hopefully he allows us to improve him. But I think a lot of him. I honestly think he could be a real top player if his attitude allows him to do that. They're all things that we're going to have to find out. But I'd have no qualms about bringing him on at any moment. I think he's got the ability just to go past people, just as if they're not even there. And I think you've got that. That's why I've always liked people like that. You know. So we'll be seeing more of him. I'm going to try to get him back round us as much as we can now from this point forward. Because I think, you know, for pre-season next year, he'll be a big part of what we're going to try and do. If, as I say, if he ticks them boxes and what we're looking for him to do. So I'm excited to get him in. I've worked with him the whole season now with the 18s, and I know how good he is. So hopefully I can get a little bit more out of him. The midfield option, we're going to go with Lee Lewis as the highest one. Yeah, the two wide players, obviously Joel and Reece. I know you'd like to both play on the right, so I understand that. I'd like to start in your naturals, so left and right. For the pure reason is I honestly think if we can get balls in the box, I think Charlie will cause him problems because he attacks the ball really well. But if it's not working, just swap, just switch. You haven't got to okay that with us, okay? Just do that amongst yourself. So even if you have 10 minutes and you just change and you have a little 10 minutes, because I was saying to him is, I don't think we've got Reece enough in the game. For 2 games he's been really on the edge of things. But if you look at it, he's had 2 games, he's scored 1, he's hit the woodwork twice, and the keeper's pulled off an unbelievable save last week. And that's about us getting him in the game. So what happens if we can get him in the game more? He's a threat we're not using at the moment. And he's probably not really producing his high end, but he's doing well enough. But I just think we should look for him more. And I think you should look for work more. You know, if you're out on the wings, no, nothing, just drift inside for a bit, just get on the fucking ball. Just make things happen. That's what we want you to do. I don't want you to have 20 minutes where you don't touch the ball. It's a waste to me. So just work out how you can get enough of the game. Obviously, Charlie will have a wrestle with him when he can. If we're clearing the ball, just scramble for us, just get what you can, mate. You can hold it up, if not, You can flick it. For anything over, and what I will say, Fipsy, you get that ball in that pocket and you spin and no one's there, and they're high. They're very square. So I'm looking for my two wide players, Joel, Reese, and Charlie, to looking to arc your runs. Especially the wide players, you've got that where you can come in and then go. So when he spins up there, you cross the line with the back. Because they leave massive holes. Because they're so slow, they want to squeeze the play. And that's we can carry that threat, it'll make them drop deep. When they drop deep, then we've got the 3v2 in there, but we have to earn the right. If we don't, then they'll condense it and it's going to be a fuck fest on a bobbling pitch and then it's a battle. Which I think we can be fine with. Can't come here and feel sorry for ourselves. Because feeling sorry for yourself, we don't achieve nothing. You know, you're going to be on a pitch that's narrow. It's going to be difficult to pass the ball in it, but we're going to still pass the ball in it. We're going to have to battle when we battle. So, if you get fucking looked in the eye and your man wants it more than you, ask yourself the question, you've got to walk in this fucking dressing room. Fucking answer that. Yes? Don't let them want it more than us. You know, what we've got to do, we've got outstanding fucking players. We've got an outstanding... JC's not here, and me and him ain't concerned. Love JT, he's a great player, top goal scorer in the league, but I ain't concerned because I know Charlie will do us a job. I know if we get a chance, he'll score. I'll put us in with... We put any striker in this side, in this group, you score. You'll be top goal scorers. But any striker we pick, we create so many fucking chances. You know, you think about the chances JT's missed this year. You know, we will create chances for the front three. Charlie's good enough to score goals. So is Reece, so is Joel. Give them the fucking ball. Let them fucking go to work. And without the ball, do the basics. When they pump it long, get Billy Bricknell screening, get in front of him, call early, centre half nice and simple, yes? If it's a 4-4-2 and there's two up, we can't go back. Remember that, we can't go back. You can go into midfield, leaders find a pocket, we dink it into you, or go on a third man run, or into Fipsy or into Critch. We can't go back if there's two. If there's one, then we can go back. But on this pitch, in a 4-4-2, we do not want to be keep flying it back to Luke Carey and open. He can deal with the ball that's fucking jumping around, okay? So think, be smart, be fucking...
Hey Sam, you going to score today?
Today.
You said that last week.
Yeah, I know, but today I mean it. I mean it.
I'll speak to you after the game about that.
I'm straight to after the game.
Alright, sweet. Fair, do you think Reece is going to score today?
Yeah, 100%.
How many?
I reckon he's going to get a brace today.
What's that?
2 goals.
Up front, yeah.
No, mate, we've been now.
Well, that's the thing.
So you going to score? You going to score today?
Camera? Nah, probably not. Like the crossbar again.
Were you laughing at Charlie Allen?
No. I wasn't actually laughing at Charlie Allen. I wasn't prepared for him to say Charlie Allen. That's what it was. So it's just a misunderstanding. And I wasn't laughing. I was coughing. A little cough. It sounded like I was laughing.
So you weren't laughing?
I wasn't laughing.
giggling.
Huh?
I was giggling.
No. Yeah. Oh yeah. So Fez was giggling. But I wasn't.
So you think Charlie Allen's going to score today?
He's gonna get a hat trick.
Hat-trick!
Hat trick.
We've had too many shots in our goals.
Okay, boy. So well done. Fucking well done. Really, really good. Really, really good. You know, you're unlucky to only be 1-0 up. You get the woodwork. You know, we've had some good chances. You know, we just can't be complacent, that's all. You know, I know we're all sitting there rubbing things, bending things, but just get through it, boys. Get through it. We can't have people just dropping that here there. Now, Fitz is going to come off, which is going to really affect us aerially. Now, the temptation would be to put Charlie back in the holding midfield and change it. I'm not going to do that. You know, we've got to give people responsibility. Lee Lewis will go into the deeper role. You've got a front now. The geezer who's in there is big. Yeah? But you ain't aggressive. You've got to fucking jump higher, face him up, and fucking win the header. You've done with Noel Williams, by the way. It's your best time more than for us, mate. You've got fucking handful. Okay. Continue that, mate. Continue that threat. And you, Joel, really fucking working hard. Your threat used to are constantly. What I like, you're both intelligent. Sometimes you're staying wide, sometimes you're coming in pockets, sometimes you're passing, sometimes you're being direct. Maintain that. Maintain that. Charlie Allen's been superb. Been fucking superb. Love it when you have a fucking little idea in your head and fucking it comes off. Brilliant, mate. Brilliant from you. Great finish. Unlucky with the second one as well. Be careful with the passes from the back. The time they're going to score, boys, this is from our mistake. We're sloppy when we're not picking up in midfield, then we struggle. Okay, it's a real. That midfield now, obviously you take him out of there, we're putting him in there, Denky's going to have to fucking work. He's going to have to fucking be aggressive. Fritz, you're going to have to get him wrapped around it. If it ain't doing it, just tell me I'll fucking drag one of them. Because that midfield's worked brilliant in that first half. So now we're asking Lee Lewis to switch his attentions now to be aggressive and be in the air. If he ain't doing that, and you can feel it, come and fucking tell me. Because we ain't got time to fuck about no more. We're here to fucking get 3 points. I say on your guy, you know he's all left foot. So don't be shocked when he comes inside and bend one. Block that off. He's coming in on your strong foot. So you should be fucking meat and drinking. You've got too fucking tight, and then you back up and let him come inside. Body shape, show him down the line. Say, well, let's see what your right foot's like. Don't let him come inside and have shots. Lose all of the breaks though there. And he'll give them fucking nothing. This is our fucking game. We fucking win this game. We ain't got to do fuck all. We ain't got to go up any levels. We just got to maintain. That's it. We'll go and get 2 or 3. But don't fucking do something stupid. Mitch, J Leader. Nothing stupid. Lou, nothing silly. Just nice and easy. Nice and fucking easy. But well done. Fucking really well done.
Yeah.
Yes, Charlie, come on, mate.
Oi, Lee.
Where you going tonight, bro? Nah, 100% you're out tonight.
Go fix your shirt on his camera and fight you. Yeah!
Fucking good win, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Reese!
Come on, man.
Again.
Again.
Again, man.
The hunt goes on.
Is that 2 assists, Reese, is it? Yeah, 2 assists.
Yes. Come on, Joel. rubbish. It's a new haircut. Do you like it?
Palace, let's go. Come in. So round. Didn't he? Oh, yeah. Listen, boys, I know we've scored late doors and it's fucking brilliant, etc. But I thought you were outstanding the whole game. You had a really bad 10 minutes in that first half. It started really slow. Sorry, in the second half, sorry. And we just fucking looked naive and they looked experienced. I said to you, I think we've been done by experience because apart from that, it was all us. The way we were playing, it was all us. They were just hoping that something was going to happen. And we switched off for 10 minutes. We were flat for 10 and it fucking cost us. But we keep coming, boys, didn't we? We fucking keep coming. Well done to Palace in his debut.
Yeah, man, well done, you.
He's come in at 2-1 down. Listen, I've always said this and I say it to all the good youngsters. If you're good enough, I'm going to throw you in. I don't care about the situation. I know his qualities. I think the guy pulled you back for the red card, did he not? You've gone past him. It changes the game, didn't it? They're going 10 men all of a sudden, their mindset. Charlie Allen, where are you?
Oi, oi! Where you going? Oi!
Man, you thought I was fucking shit before the game as well. He was laughing at me all the time.
2 goals, Charlie.
Yeah, only 2.
And Pritchard laughed, didn't he? And you laughed.
Whole fucking squad laughed.
Yeah, he wasn't.
Laughed at left back, laughed at right back.
That was a silly yellow card.
So many good boys, so many good fucking performances, so many. And like I said, the next 5 weeks, these big ones are going to keep coming. And we've just got to keep playing well. We're going to have to keep putting. You play like that, you'll go close. Because on their pitch, they're a big club. Next week you've got Horsham. We're at home, another massive game. But we played Horsham at home last year, and they know what we've done to them, and they'll know what's coming. So just keep winning, boys, because you just never know where we're going to end up. This could be a fucking amazing fucking ride. But whatever happens, listen, win, lose or draw, whatever happens, it's been fucking brilliant. It has. I'd love that to get in them last 5 games right in the fucking mix. I'd love that. I know you boys would as well. So we just got to keep working. I'll keep going out watching games. We'll keep fucking thinking of ideas at training. You boys keep turning up and giving everything you've got, and we'll go close. I honestly think that. Just stay honest, yeah?
Come on, boys.